In Africa's forests, these rare monkeys leap through trees, threatened as their homes continue to disappear. With striking black ear tufts, this agile cat hunts silently across Africa's dry grasslands. One of the heaviest flying birds, now critically endangered in India's shrinking desert grasslands. Among the rarest crocodiles, surviving only in a few rivers of South America, these rugged zebras climb rocky hills, surviving in harsh landscapes where few animals can live. On southern coasts, these penguins struggle as overfishing and warming seas threaten their survival. A giant river fish once found in China, now feared extinct after years of overfishing. Standing tall on long legs, this unique wolf roams South American grasslands alone, a rare flightless bird of New Caledonia, known for its striking crest and soft grey feathers. In the Amazon's waters, this pink dolphin swims gracefully through rivers under constant human pressure. In Central Asia's cold steppes, this fluffy wildcat survives with a grumpy face and silence. High on Ethiopian cliffs, these social monkeys graze together, living in one of Africa's highest habitats. With long legs and deadly kicks, this unique bird hunts snakes across Africa's open savanna. In dark swamp forests, this rare crocodile swims quietly with its long, narrow snout above water. In dense rainforests, this striped antelope hides silently, one of Africa's most beautiful yet rare. With bright white feathers and yellow crest, this parrot survives through strong conservation protection. In shallow tropical seas, this sea turtle glides gently over sandy ocean floors. A tree-dwelling snake with bright green scales, known for its dangerous but shy nature. This social predator hunts in packs, moving together through forests with speed and coordination. A young swamp giant in the making, growing into one of the world's most unusual birds. In the silent desert night, this tiny wildcat hunts beneath the moon across shifting dunes. With huge, glowing eyes, this gentle primate moves slowly through forests under the cover of a young hunter learning to strike, practicing powerful kicks across Africa's open grasslands. Resting along warm riverbanks, this ancient reptile waits patiently beneath still, muddy water. Across freezing plateaus, this antelope races through thin air of the high Himalayas. In misty cloud forests, this rare bird perches quietly with its unique red horn. Under moonlit skies, thousands of turtles return to beaches to lay their eggs. Perfectly camouflaged, this slender snake blends into leaves, striking quickly with deadly precision. In icy tundra, this fox survives extreme cold with thick fur and clever hunting skills. With dazzling colors, this bird performs an extraordinary dance to attract a mate. In Africa's night, this tiny hunter stalks silently, one of the deadliest small cats on Earth. With shimmering silver fur, this gentle monkey lives high in Southeast Asia's disappearing rainforest. This rare bird, with its bright blue crown, survives only in a few mountain forests of China. Among the rarest crocodiles alive, surviving quietly in Southeast Asia's shrinking freshwater wetland. Hidden in Patagonia's mountains, this shy deer faces danger as its fragile habitat continues shrink. A flightless parrot chick growing slowly, protected carefully to save one of the world's rarest. The largest sea turtle glides across oceans, traveling thousands of kilometers through dangerous waters. America's longest native snake, calm but powerful, helping control pests across southern forests. In Spain's wild landscapes, this elusive wolf hunts at dawn, balancing fragile ecosystem. A colorful forest bird, glowing red and blue, living quietly in the Philippines' lush jungles. In Africa's grasslands, this long-legged cat leaps high, using huge ears to locate hidden prey. With a fluffy coat and bushy tail, this shy monkey moves quietly through South American forests. Tall and elegant, this bird strides across savanna, striking snakes with powerful, lightning-fast kicks. In warm coastal waters, this crocodile survives despite habitat loss and growing human development. In South America's wetlands, this tall deer wades through water, living in flooded grasslands. With bright red feathers, this striking bird feeds in coastal lagoons and mangrove swamps. Across vast oceans, this turtle migrates thousands of miles between feeding grounds and nesting beach, one of the world's longest snakes, silently moving through jungles with incredible strength and pace. In frozen northern lands, this white wolf hunts in packs, surviving harsh cold and scare. With enormous wings, this giant bird soars over mountains, riding warm air currents. In dense jungles, this spotted cat moves silently through shadows, perfectly hidden among leaves, and at night, this gliding mammal sails between trees, using skin wings to cross the forest. With a massive yellow casque, this bird flies powerfully across tropical forests, spreading seeds everywhere. A small, secretive crocodile hiding in swamp forests, rarely seen but perfectly adapted to it. The smallest deer on Earth, quietly moving through thick forest undergrowth with careful, gentle. With shimmering colors, this tiny bird hovers around flowers, feeding on sweet forest nectar. One of the most endangered sea turtles, nesting together on sandy beaches in rare mass events. A heavy, camouflage snake lying perfectly still, waiting patiently to strike unsuspecting prey. High in Ethiopia's mountains, this rare fox hunts rodents across wide-open grasslands. A master of mimicry, this bird copies sounds while performing an elaborate courtship dance. In dense jungles at night, this agile cat climbs trees with ease, hunting silently. Known as the fastest primate, it sprints across open savannas to escape predators. With a small horn on its head, this wetland bird uses loud calls to defend territory. A small armored crocodilian hiding in forest streams, perfectly adapted to shallow freshwater habitats. This tiny deer with small fangs and antlers moves quietly through thick Asian forests. When threatened, it spreads wings revealing eye-like patterns to scare away predators instantly. A powerful ocean traveler, swimming vast distances with strong flippers through deep blue water. One of the largest vipers, hidden in leaves, striking quickly with venomous precision. With oversized ears, this fox listens carefully, hunting insects across open grasslands at dusk. High in open savanna, parents protect their chick while scanning the land for danger. At mangrove edges, this rare cat hunts fish silently, striking quickly through shallow water. With long limbs and a gripping tail, it swings swiftly through the dense rainforest canopy. Standing still for hours, this bird strikes suddenly, capturing prey with incredible speed. Hidden in calm wetlands, this crocodilian waits quietly with only its eyes above water. In vast steppes, these antelopes migrate together, their unique noses filtering dusty air. This bright orange bird performs an elaborate dance to impress females in forest clearings. Gliding through clear waters, this turtle grazes peacefully on seagrass meadows below. The king cobra rises tall, hood spread wide, warning intruders with a powerful display. In highland grasslands, this rare wolf hunts rodents with speed and sharp focus. With golden crest and bright colors, this bird shines brilliantly in forest light. In India's forests at night, this tiny wildcat hunts quietly, one of the smallest felines. With bright golden fur, this rare monkey lives high in treetops of the Himalayan foothills. This tiny shorebird uses its spoon-shaped beak to sift food along fragile coastal mudflats. In Amazon rivers, this powerful crocodilian waits silently, eyes glowing above the dark water. Shy and secretive, this mountain deer hides in misty forests with its small antlers and fangs. With rainbow-colored feathers, this Himalayan bird shines brilliantly across high mountain slopes. After nesting on beaches, this sea turtle returns to the ocean, gliding through warm coastal waters. Perfectly camouflaged, this bright green snake rests quietly among leaves above swampy waters. Living on isolated islands, this small fox survives alone along rocky coasts and dry landscapes. This forest bird displays enormous patterned wings to attract mates on the jungle floor. In Africa's savanna, these painted hunters run together, surviving through teamwork and speed. In the Amazon, this powerful cat stalks silently along rivers, striking with deadly precision. In Australia's outback, this reptile suddenly spreads its frill, a dramatic defense display. One of the strongest eagles alive, gripping prey high within dense rainforest canopies. Gliding above coral reefs, this turtle helps maintain ocean balance while facing human threats. The world's longest venomous snake rises, hood expanded, warning intruders to stay back. With its flowing white mustache, this tiny monkey leaps swiftly through dense jungle branches. A sacred bird of the cloud forest, glowing green feathers shimmer in misty mountain air. These dolphins spin gracefully above waves, performing playful leaps in warm tropical seas. In the harsh Sahara Desert, this rare antelope survives extreme heat and endless sandstorms.